What's up, everybody? Just doing a bit of crawling around out here in this wilderness area. Haven't seen anything yet, but keep my eyes open. I got out here kind of early, and it's been raining all night, so we got some pretty decent puddles back here. So I'm just enjoying this little track back here in the wilderness. Well, I've parked the Jeep and I've decided to start hiking through some of these game trails. I'm deep inside some hammocky area now, and it is quite claustrophobic, but it's beautiful nonetheless. I'm seeing a lot of signs, a lot of wildlife signs. I mean, fresh stuff. It rained all night last night, so all the tracks that I'm seeing are nice and fresh. The ground clutter is a little moist, so it doesn't make as much noise when you step on it. So I might be able to sneak up on something today. I hope so. Whoa, check this out. See, I saw a bunch of vultures over here, and I was like, what are you guys eating on? What are you guys eating on? Well, this is it right here. Holy smokes. Oh, stinks. So cool. I hope I can find a couple scoots. Right there, an alligator scoot. I've seen people make jewelry and stuff out of those. It's really neat. And there's probably a ton of them in there. I just don't want to go digging around. It's kind of gross. Man, that's neat. That's a big alligator too, man. That was a good 10-footer at least. Anyways. Yeah, it's windy today. Can't hang out next to the river because where I found that old alligator, it's just out in the open. The wind's just pummeling. So I'm gonna head back into the hammock, and hopefully it'll be a lot calmer. Yeah, I just love those spiders. Big golden orb weavers. Here they are in the middle of winter and they're still out here. I'm gonna skirt around her web because I don't want to damage it. Everything's attached to palm fronds all the way around. Check out this little guy. This here is a mud turtle. Hey, come here, guy. It's a super cute little thing. Hey buddy, I'm not gonna hold on to you for very long. Oh, you're cute. You're so cute. Look at him. They get a little bit bigger than this. Not by much. Alright, I'm gonna let you go. Alright. These guys are cool. Seeing bones. It's like cattle bones. Let's check this out. Usually whenever you find a collection of bones like this, skull's usually gone. You know, hunters find them, they put them, you know, on their out there on their hunting cabins or whatever. I don't know, but usually those are the first things that are gone. Here's giant hip bones. Definitely a cow. It's really cool. These have been here a long time. They're very bleached. Oh, I was wrong this time. There is a skull. Check this out. That's pretty cool. Here's the jaws right here. And the jaw bones. Right there. Yeah, that's alright. Well, that was a cool find. Almost never find the skull. That thing's fully intact. It's fun exploring these places, you know? Hey, look what I found. Scarlet king snake. Whoa, sticky nose way out there. Look at that. Oh, look how beautiful it is. Nice small one. Oh, there it goes. Slithering into my jacket. Great. It's warm in there. Oh, it's going all the way. Oh, there he goes. I got a snake in my jacket. I'll tell you what, it's nice and warm in there. It's like 58 degrees. But I'm not complaining. Those guys are cool. Come on. Relax. Nice and warm. I'm gonna let this little guy go. He's minding his own business. You know, it's not hard making it back to the river. This river winds all over the place. So you can do like a straight line in one direction and eventually you'll come across the river again. But yeah, this is really, really nice. I'm protected by that bank over there, so the wind isn't quite as strong. But it is really, really nice. But I tell you what, I've memorized this spot right here because just over there I want to do some camping sometime, and I think it'd be easier for me to get to if I brought the kayak down and pulled it up on the bank right here and then worked my way into the woods back there. So I'm going to plan that for some longer, warmer days. Well, it's getting dark. Time to head back. I haven't seen much today. You know, saw those turtles, the alligators, that really cool snake. But there's still an opportunity to see something, you know? So I'm about to head out into some open prairie. And that's where I see the most stuff. So hopefully we will. Man, that moon is something else. Holy smokes. I think there's supposed to be a lunar eclipse tonight. Hopefully I'll be awake when that happens. That's why I hate winter. Because as soon as it gets dark, I get tired. I'm ready for bed. But in the summertime, it gets dark really late. I stay up longer, do more things. But, yeah, I don't know if you can see that or not, but the moon is phenomenal. Yeah, there it is, right there. Whoop. Wow, that thing is amazing. Very cool. That was awesome. That was so cute. I don't know why that one was hopping around and shaking his head, but that that was still really cute. I like that. Well, it's definitely too dark to keep filming. Everything is pitch black in the woods there. Out here on the floodplain, it's not so bad because the sun is setting over there and got a little bit of light left for that. But anyway, that was pretty cool. Them deer and the snake and the alligator and all that good stuff. And I had a lot of fun today, and I hope you guys did too. But like always, thanks for watching, everybody. Take care. That moon is something else. That's a cat. That is definitely a cat. That could be a bobcat. See the white around the eyes there? It's a nighttime hunter. I'm sorry I'm blinding you, but this is just too good, buddy. Get a little closer. That was so awesome. I can't believe it. Oh man. I don't know what kind of cat that was, but that was something serious. That was really cool.